Hi, this is Tommy from Systems for Dentists, and in this video I'll demonstrate how to use the treatment clipboard to request and to book appointments. The treatment clipboard is a very useful tool. It enables a performer to request a follow-up appointment to be booked and for reception to see this on the clipboard to be able to quickly book the appointment. In this example I have a patient with an open course of treatment. I propose an extraction, but I'm not going to perform this today. If I click Add Visit, I can add an additional appointment as part of the current course of treatment. I can then drag the extraction item down so that it comes under appointment 2. To add appointment 2 to the clipboard to allow this to be booked, I simply need to double click on the appointment. I can check this box to add the appointment to the clipboard. I can then indicate who it is to be with, how long it should be, and the colour it will display on the appointment book. I can then enter some appointment notes if required. You can now see that the appointment has been added to the clipboard. Reception are able to view the treatment clipboard. I can see here the appointment that I added previously, and I can drag the appointment into the book. The appointment is now booked. I can now see that the visit on the treatment plan includes the date and time that the appointment has been booked. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, as well as a series of useful FAQ how-to guides, please see our website.